Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook page from scratch. Okay, so if you don't have a page, that's how you create one. All right, let me share my screen with you. And you know that I posted on our group asking for all of you who wanted to have a new page that I'm going to create and use yours as an example. So I was looking through and I decided to pick Sharon's page because it's a niche that's easy for me to create right now. And she already has a great name for it. So uh, she wants to call it Kids Cook the Seasons. And I thought that was great. So first off, when you think about creating a name, it doesn't need to be, it could be long, it's not a problem. And just try to use the keywords of your niche, right? So because when if somebody searches on Facebook for, say, kids meals, cooking for kids or something, that her page might come up. So always try to add your keywords on the name. For instance, my sewing page I called Sewing Projects with Vanya. I put my name on it. Not necessarily you have to add your name. Because why did I use this? Because sewing, maybe somebody will search sewing or sewing projects, and then they will see my page. My page will come up. Okay. So then how you create it? When you're on your home page on Facebook, you click on pages here. Then all your pages are going to come up. Then you click here on create new page. And so you have to choose now. I always recommend to choose community. There is a a gossip that says that Facebook will charge you less per ads and will give you more reach if your page is community, because then as opposed to business, because Facebook likes community and they're supporting the groups and everything. So we always make a community, and at the end that doesn't make much of a difference. Okay, do the copy and paste here. So we're gonna call it Kids Cook the Seasons, and the category is cooking, right? Kitchen and cooking. Click on continue, and then it's probably going to ask for a picture. Okay, so here's the disclosure. The pictures I'm going to upload now I took from the internet. I went on Google and searched for labeled for reuse photos. They're supposedly they're not trademarked, but you never know. So I'm just saying, Sharon, you should change those images after, just to be safe. Okay, for now it's fine, but it's just to show you guys. So the profile picture, so the Facebook has a cover photo and then the small one that's the profile, right, on the page. The profile is a square size, so you try to do like 500 by 500 pixels or something like that, or 1000 by 1000. That works. I think the lowest is 500 by 500, so it's not pixelated. Okay, I took this one. That's a kid with is a cook kid, a chef. And let's see, and then it's probably going to ask me for a cover photo. I hope it doesn't take forever. One thing is, always make sure after you upload either both photos, you got to look on your you got to look on your mobile. Go on the Facebook app and check there if it's looking good, because sometimes it changes, and the most important place for you to look good is on mobile. Most of the people are on mobile nowadays. Now let's upload the cover photo. I think was this one. So I went on Canva. Okay, so the cover photo is 19 by 1000 pixels. That's the size. It might change, but that's like basically the size that works for Facebook. And what I did is I took this picture from Google. I took it to Canva, canva.com. I don't know if you use that. And then I created a custom image on Canva that was 1900 by 1000, and then placed the picture there, and then put a little text over. You're gonna see it. Try to not put more than 4 words on your picture, on the cover photo, because it gets too confusing. Okay, so look, here it is. it should show now. Let's do a refresh, and I'm gonna look on mobile to see if it's looking good. Look, that's it. I have a official, let's see, kids, cook the seasons. Oh, it's not coming up. There's another one. It's not coming up yet, but yeah. Anyway, always make sure, unfortunately, I can't show you because it's not coming up on my thing. But you always look on the app and see if it's looking okay, if it's not cropped. And you see, I cropped a little here because otherwise it wouldn't show. I wanted to show the boy, the entire, yeah, see, I wanted to show it. So I cropped, I didn't fill the whole image, but on mobile should be fine. Okay, then that's it. You have a page, and now you should post at least like 4 or 5 new posts just to get it going. And I created, you know, in the course, I'm gonna tell you, give you more tips on what is good to post on your page, how you grow your page and everything. But for now, just let me just show you a couple things. So you can post memes, or this one I created as if it was a meme. So what I did is I went on Google, grabbed an image. There are places you can buy images, right? Or like it's cheap, or you can get free reusable images. And in this case, I just took one from Google and post the text over as if it was a meme or something else, okay? So here it is, let's post it. The other type of post that's great is text, just like, you know, profile update, right? That you just, because, oops, Facebook just likes conversation, right? So we do, oh, this thing. There you go. See, like just a phrase, or, you know, a question, because people like to respond and give their opinions and everything. Oh no. Okay, now it should work. And you can play with the colors, remember, like that. You can change the style here. What is it? Headline. Let's see. That's ugly. The basic, casual, simple. Okay. And then you post it. And then I create, this is something that's wrong, but I did it. I grabbed a meme, I think it was this one, from Google that I thought was great. And memes, usually you just share from other pages or groups, but you can recreate your own. It's also a good idea. And that's it. See? So this one, and then the next thing is you have to add people to your page, right? And one tip is do not add your friends and family to your page. Don't invite them, because unless they are people that would be your avatar. All you want in your page is a lot of your avatar people. You don't want some random people that have no kid, like me, for instance. I don't have kids. I shouldn't be on this page. Okay. All the time I get like my friends in Brazil, for instance, they create new business, they create pages, and then they invite me. I'm not there. I'm not the avatar, so I'm not going to help at all. I'm just going to be like competing with the space, and then not, and then, because here's the thing, Facebook will always give you more of what you already have, right? So if I have 10 people or 100 people on my page that are my avatar, Facebook are going to connect, the algorithm understands, and will bring more of the same people. And that's how my page grows in a healthy way. And I will have people that are my target audience, people who are going to like my posts, who are going to interact with my posts, share my posts, and eventually buy from me if I'm selling something. So don't add your friends and family unless, you know, you rather have, it's better if you have a small page with small, you know, a small number of people, then if you have, but those people are your avatar, then if you have like thousands of people that are not your avatar. So never run a campaign, a like campaign. We're going to talk about this later, but you know, there are certain things. One thing I never recommend, but in this time it's okay, is the boost post. Okay, so if this was a real quote that would make sense for my avatar, something that Sharon's avatar would be interested in, would like to share, then I could boost this post. And that's the only time I recommend you to do that, not inside of Ads Manager. You can do this right on the page, click on this button. Never again in your life you do that, okay? So when you have a page, if you already have a page that have 1,000 people or something, you don't use the boost post, okay? Because it doesn't work. In this case, it works because we just need to bring new people. You can also just place an ad later inside of Ads Manager on this a picture, for instance, then people are going to like, and they're going to like the page, okay? And Facebook at the beginning of a page will help you bring people that will like the page when you show a post like that to them, okay? That's why you could click in here. It's not going to work for me because I'm not going to pay for Sharon, not at this time, Sharon, sorry. And also my husband has this ad blocker. So, and you have to add then your website, and you know, and then you can boost the post. You create an audience. See, you click here, create a new audience. You put a woman. Usually, woman is the, you know, moms of cooking kids. And then you go there and you find the location. Let's say I don't know where Sharon is, but I'll do United States. United States country. You can add other countries, and then detail targeting. And you say mothers. Or moms. See, dance moms, bad moms, working moms, or successful stay-at-home moms, or something like that. And then you save their audience. See, so okay, I called moms cooking kids, and and then you can decide here, you know, how many days. 5 days. If you spend $10, it's like $2 a day just to get your page going, okay? And then you go and place. Oh, you can choose here the placements. Facebook Messenger. No, I don't want to put a Messenger. And then you have to add the payment. This will be my PayPal, but I don't want to pay for Sharon. So you just, Sharon, in your case, you can add the payment there. Even if you spend like $8, $5 just to get it going, okay? That's one way to get it going. I'm going to cancel now. But then when you go on your mobile, I'm going to add you to the page, Sharon. I think I have to add you as a friend and then add you as an admin. Okay, here. There's something, page visibility, visitor posts, posting stories. There's people. Oh, page rows. Here we go. And then I could just put here Sharon. I don't think she is my friend. Oh, she is. Here we go, Sharon. So then I can add her as an admin. I don't know if I remember Facebook password. No. Okay. So I added Sharon, then I can remove myself later from being the admin. And then she will be the admin now, and then she can finish her information. Okay, Sharon. So here, hold on, let's go back to the page. Down here, you have to add then your personal stuff. The name, the username. I think you can put kids cook the seasons, because that's what's going to show in the URL here. But I'm not sure if she wants to keep this exactly like that, so I'm going to leave it. You add your description, what the page is about. Try to put some keywords in this description as well, because that's going to help come up on Facebook search, and your website, all that stuff. And then when you go on mobile, you're gonna see it's gonna ask you to invite friends, and that's when you don't invite your friends unless they are your avatar. Okay, and then in our other videos, inside of the course, I'm gonna talk about how you grow your page. What are the healthiest things that you can grow your page, you can do to grow a page, and your group as well. So if Sharon wants to create a group and connect to this page, she can. Okay, I hope this is helpful to you. If you have questions, just leave a comment and I will respond. All right? Okay, thank you.